And the bigger one, I don't know if you can see them, see in them, but pretty awesome. I don't want to be nosy and go up in somebody's stuff. Keep going this way. This is the way I walked last night to get to that outhouse. That's the shitter I went through last night. In the middle of the night, I thought Sasquatch was talking to me with sticks and shit. Bonking on everything. It's nice though. Got a couple of them on the property. Over there is the back of the humongous crib. This is the gypsy tent somebody rented. Gypsy trailer you can stay in, which is pretty dope. Has solar, all kind of stuff. I love that. If it wasn't rented, I would have stayed there. Yeah, that way, got it. Thank you. Oh, perfect. Got it. Thank you.
And look for the little wood signs along the trail.
Okay.
They're all from return cases.
That's awesome. Thank you. Maybe I'll bring one. I said maybe I'll bring one. Oh, perfect. That's awesome. This way, waterfall. She has people make these little signs along the trail. And when they come back, they bring it back. Out of the cities and the shitties. Seems like I went to the main ones. I will say one thing. That sub, if you have time, that sub is worth the wait at Angelo's. But if you're in a rush, nah, it ain't something to die for. Like if you're already up here, get it. If you want to go for a motorcycle ride for the day, cool. Honestly, I thought Ishkabibbles was better. But it was great, like when I first ate it. And it was super hot and the bun was real soft, but after that, it got real hard and I said, fuck that. Anyway, check this out. Wow. She said usually it's a lot more fallsy. And you can like swim in it. So it's usually a lot more fallsy and you can like swim in it. But they haven't had no rain. Like sometimes the waterfall overtakes that whole thing. And this gets real deep. Like the whole thing becomes a bold swim in. I mean, you could swim there. But she said sometimes this whole thing gets real deep. You could jump off the rocks and... You can head down there. Let me not bust my ass. Or get snake bitten. This looks like a fucking snake area if I've ever seen one. I'm gonna need me some new Jordans after this, I'll tell you that. Yeet. Yeah, you can tell this rock gets some water. Imagine big waterfall flowing over that. Gorgeous. Especially if you got a flood, you'd be dead. Wash down the river. Not a single piece of trash. You could drink this water, especially right there, easily. Or right here. Only takes 17 feet of water being bashed around with rocks to clean it back to its original, as long as you ain't got nothing upstream dead. But even with that, all you gotta do is boil it out. Up there is that campsite I was talking about. This is awesome. That's a swimming hole I've seen a girl swimming in on the website. It was a lot deeper, but it's literally like a swimming hole. Pretty awesome. But this whole thing fills up a lot more. It gets deeper, she said. Same way right here. There's another swimming hole up there by the falls. Hopefully on the New Haven next. Get some of the best pizza in the world.